Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of figs, a delicious fruit that's not only sweet and satisfying, but also packed with incredible health benefits. Figs have been cultivated and enjoyed for thousands of years, dating back to ancient civilizations. Whether dried or fresh, this nutrient-dense fruit deserves a place in your diet. So, let's explore why figs are truly a superfood. First things first, let's talk nutrition. Figs are low in calories but packed with important nutrients. They're rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Just one small serving of figs can give you a decent amount of your daily fiber needs, which is crucial for digestion and gut health. Speaking of digestion, let's get into one of the major benefits of figs, their high fiber content. This makes figs a natural choice for promoting digestive health. Fiber helps keep things moving in your digestive tract, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. It also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, contributing to overall digestive wellness. But the benefits don't stop there. Figs are also great for your heart. They contain potassium, a mineral that helps control blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium. Studies suggest that regularly eating potassium-rich foods like figs can help reduce high blood pressure, lowering your risk of heart disease and stroke. Did you know that figs are good for your bones too? Thanks to their calcium and magnesium content, they can help maintain strong and healthy bones. Calcium is essential for bone density, and magnesium works alongside it to support bone structure. Figs make a fantastic snack for anyone looking to protect their bone health as they age. And we can't forget about figs' impressive antioxidant profile. Figs are full of polyphenols, powerful compounds that help protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. This antioxidant activity supports your immune system, helping your body fend off illness and stay healthy. So, whether you're adding figs to a salad, snacking on dried figs, or even blending them into a smoothie, you're getting a fruit packed with fiber, nutrients, and antioxidants, all contributing to better digestion, heart health, bone strength, and a stronger immune system. Next time you're at the grocery store, consider picking up some figs and adding them to your diet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and nutritional advice. Let us know in the comments, have you tried figs? See you next time, and remember, healthy eating is just one small step toward a happier,